Welcome friends. Lately, this video have been going viral on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. People are making them using free AI and getting millions of views. In this video, I will show you how to easily turn an image into a viral video using free AI tools. So, let's go. At first, you need to copy this prompt. I will give the prompt link in the description, and also I will give all websites link in the description. So don't worry. Let's copy the prompt. Now open ChatGPT and paste the prompt here. ChatGPT will ask for a image title. So let's give the image title. Okay, that's nice. ChatGPT give me a image prompt with a image section and also give me a music prompt with a music section. So let's copy this prompt from image section. Now open the Leonardo AI. Click on image. Now select the anime preset and also select these settings. Now paste the prompt and hit the generate button. All images are so good. I'm going with this one. Click on this image. Now download the image. It's time to create the video. So go to this website. I'll give the link in the description. Click create video. Now click on this and select the image. Now click this button. It will take some time. Okay, let's see our result. This AI is so good. Now download the video. Click on this download icon. Okay, it's time to create the background music. So go to ChatGPT again and copy the Music prompt from the music section and go to this website. I will give the link in the description. Click on create. You need to sign in with a Google account. Paste the prompt here and write some additional things like lofi, calm, etc. Now click on create. It will give me a beautiful background music. Let's listen the music. This music is so good. Download this music. Click on MP3 and click on download. Okay, we get all the elements. Now it's time to edit the video. So open the CapCut. Click on new project. You click on import. Select the audio and the video. Drag and drop in the timeline. Let's edit the video. Copy this clip and paste it here. Now reverse this clip. No one will notice. Now adjust the video to hide the watermark. Adjust the audio also. Let's see the result. Okay. Now export this video. Thanks for watching this video.